Hi folks, and welcome to In the Kitchen with Pete. Well, we're into May now. We're packing up here in Florida and getting ready to head back to Ontario. We've been invited to a little potluck this evening, and I was asked to bring a pasta sauce. So I'm doing a simple and delicious Alfredo sauce. It takes about 10 minutes to put together. You can put it in the fridge for that evening or the next day, and it's delicious. Let's get to the sauce. So we'll start out with a half a cup of butter. And to that we're going to add 5 cloves of finely diced garlic or minced garlic. Use fresh. You can't beat fresh garlic. I grow my own up in Ontario. It comes out in around June, July, and it's beautiful garlic. So use fresh. Now we don't want to burn our garlic. I've got it to about a medium heat. We'll mix that around. And if that's too much garlic for you, no problem, put a little bit less. Change it up if you like, make it your own. And to that we're going to add a half a cup of cream cheese. This will help make it nice and creamy. I've got the chive and onion cream cheese for a little extra flavor. You can just use plain if you like. Once we get that mixed up thoroughly, we'll move on to our next ingredients. Next, we're going to add a pint of heavy whipping cream. This will thicken up as we go. We'll get that to come to a little bit of a rumble, not a heavy boil. Now we can see the bubbles starting to come up on that. So now it's time to add our fresh Parmesan, 1 cup, freshly grated. Get that freshly grated at the store or buy your own like I did and grate it up. That's going to help thicken our sauce as well. And now we'll add our seasonings. I've got 1.5 tablespoons of Italian seasoning and a pinch of salt and pepper. Some parsley flakes. And we're almost there. We're going to let that simmer for just a minute or so. Let it thicken up. And my last ingredient, I like to put a little fresh squeeze of lemon. It just brightens up the flavor. That's optional. Oh, you can smell the garlic and the fresh lemon. And that's how simple it is. There's a beautiful Alfredo sauce. Now, wasn't that simple? And I'm going to tell you how delicious it is too. Oh, creamy garlic, the seasoning and a hint of lemon in there. I'm going to lay that on some fresh fettuccine tonight. It'll be a hit. You could add some cooked chicken, cooked shrimp. It just works. It's a simple and delicious recipe. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching In the Kitchen with Pete. Until next time, see ya.